That's not cute. That's not P. Is that, did I say it right? Y'all see how I'm coming? You see how I'm coming? I'm already starting. We're starting the week off with a banger. You hear me? Almost knocked my glasses off my face. Goodness gracious. Let me hurry up and get out of here. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. And before we get into this gorgeous install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to.
Now, like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. This is their Kinky Curly Lace Front Wig. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This unit is fitting down perfectly on my dome, so if your head is 23 and below, you should be good to go. What's the rest of it? Bigger than that? Put her back, okay? Now, even though I did spray this unit down, I am wearing my wig grip to relieve some of the tension around my temples because I can't have a concussion when I'm trying to be cute. Okay, that's not cute. That's not P. Is that, did I say it right? I'm too old for this. But even with the wig grip on my head, the cap is fitting down really comfortable. So I can definitely rock this unit all day, which I am, okay, because your girl is going to Target. They gotta see me. Now, I did go in and co-wash my unit. I did get shedding when I did that. No tangling though. It was pretty easy to kind of brush through the unit. I did use my Felicia Leatherwood brush, so if you want to check that out, I have it linked in my Amazon store. I didn't feel the need to make a defined part because honestly, I feel like this gives off a even more natural look without the parting space. So even though this is a, I believe it's a 13x4, so you can do hard parts if you choose to, the way I have it styled on my head is looking really, really natural. So I'm actually really here for this unit, y'all. This came out perfect. perfect, okay? Now, you know I use my handy dandy curl mousse linked in my Amazon store. That's the only thing outside of my co-wash that I used on this hair, and then I diffused it. Diffusing this hair took the longest just because I want to make sure I get it right. Y'all saw that I did go in and trim some of the ends off. Not much though, because this is a 20-inch unit, and it's 20 inches if you stretch the hair out, okay? Not 20 inches how it's sitting on me right now, okay? Right now it's sitting at about 14 inches, maybe like touching 12. So make sure you understand that when you're trying to decide what length you want for your curly units. At 20 inches, this unit is under $200. I'm pretty sure it's like $175 with no discounts. Are they going back down? Oh, I think they might be. Oh, I think they might be. You may want to go ahead and get this one. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the kinky curliness that you're expecting on this wig may not be as kinky, okay? May not be as kinky as you think that you may want, okay? This is definitely giving off more of a coily texture, not really a kinky curly in my opinion. This hair texture was very easy to maneuver. It didn't have a lot of tangling or kinkiness in it, so I'm feeling like this is more of like a 3A, 3B coily texture than it is a 4A, etc. type of texture, okay? That's just me though. I could be wrong, but you know, the way it's sitting on my head right now is not really giving kinky curly as much as it's given kinky coily. Okay, there's a difference, trust me, but it's still gorgeous. Okay, it is still a gorgeous unit. I am here for it, and I feel like y'all should be too. Listen, I got more bounce to the ounce. Y'all, this wig is nice. I could do like a little up style, like a little pin back. Ooh, I could do like a little pin back joint like this. Hold on, let me get my little hair situation. Hold on. I could definitely do like a little situation like that. Listen, y'all see the edges. Y'all see the edges, okay? If you want an affordable option to a kinky curly wig that comes with lace, that comes with texture, that comes with inches, listen, giddy up. If you want to look like me, okay, get the wig and the product, okay, and don't forget the product. But get the wig, y'all, get the wig, because this is gorgeous. Oh, not me realizing I didn't brush my daggone eyebrows out. Lord have mercy. Okay, so I went back and put this joint up in a ponytail real quick. All I did was literally pull up the sides and put a ponytail in. Nothing crazy, okay? So it's nothing that you need to, no tutorial for that, okay? This is cute. Listen, I put my little harness on too. Y'all know, link down below, okay? Everything will be linked down below, but y'all, this is a look, okay? This is a look. Take my glasses off real quick. When I say this looks good, listen, I mean it, okay? TikTok hands, okay? I mean it. Like my brother Greg be saying, you hear me? Hey, wink. Wait, let me scoot on back real quick. Give the looks, Okay, I like this, and guess what? I feel like you will too. Giddy up, okay? Giddy up, listen. Budget friendly, she looked good. I'm not mad at this. I am not mad at this, okay? Shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct links, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.